Hi, my name's Ben. I'm Head of Growth here at Dwellir. We're an infrastructure provider to the Polkadot ecosystem. We've recently launched an OpenGov proposal to fund our services that we provided during Q3. And we wanted to use this video as a chance for us to illustrate our value to the Polkadot ecosystem. But what is the value of an RPC service? Well, all decentralized applications need a way to communicate with the blockchains they're working with. RPC nodes facilitate this communication. High quality and reliable RPC nodes are a critical component for a great user experience within the DOT ecosystem. New users coming into the DOT ecosystem need to see their transactions as quickly as possible. And this needs to be reliable. It needs to work all the time. Quick and reliable data availability is essentially the service that Dwellir provides. How about some examples? Well, we have a few here. All of the data served through the famous Polkadot.js, for example, that comes from RPC nodes. The powerful Talisman and Nova wallets use many different RPC nodes to enable you to view your NFTs and check your token balances and even execute staking. And then to vote on this very proposal, you'll need to interact with RPC nodes on Polkadot assembly. So, what are the costs? Well, we own and operate our own bare metal machines. We have to pay for co-location because we don't just run one Polkadot node in one location, we have to run several around the world. In the case that, for whatever reason, one node isn't quite up to scratch, we can automatically hand over to another node in another location. We have the bandwidth and electricity and security and these kinds of costs associated with running co-location. And then last but not least, we have our Dwellir team who work tirelessly to ensure that nodes are up to date, that our own custom software stack is constantly improving so that the RPC nodes are always functioning at the highest quality. To go back to what I said a little bit earlier, we need to ensure that we're always delivering the latest block as quickly as possible and that our service is reliable as possible.
It's a little bit noisy in here. This is one of our data center locations, and this is one of the places where we run our RPC nodes. This is where the magic actually happens.
This is Marcus. He's a network engineer at Dwellir, and we're just doing a bit of maintenance and upgrades at one of our co-location sites to where we run our Polkadot nodes from.
So as you can see, there's real humans and real technology behind Dwellir RPC nodes. The wallets that you interact with, the NFTs that you buy, the trades that you make, all of the decentralized applications that you may or may not interact with at some level need RPC nodes. They're a foundational piece to the Polkadot ecosystem. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those on Polka Assembly. And of course, vote aye for this proposal to make sure that we can keep Dwellir up and running. Thanks and have a really good day.